Welcome to the wonderful world of drawing. Today, we're going to create a colorful masterpiece together. So grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils and let's get started. Start by choosing a subject for your artwork. It could be anything you like, a beautiful flower, a majestic castle, or even a magical unicorn. Use your imagination and let it guide your hand. Once you have your subject in mind, let's begin drawing. Use light and gentle strokes to create the basic outline. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Art is all about expressing yourself, so embrace. Now it's time to bring your drawing to life with vibrant colors. Choose shades that make your heart dance with joy. Feel free to experiment and mix different colors together. Let your artwork be a reflection of your unique personality. Remember, this is your masterpiece, so make it your own. Feel free to add extra elements, like stars in the sky, a flowing river, or even a friendly companion for your main character. Let your imagination run wild. Don't be afraid to make bold choices and explore different techniques. You can use colored pencils, markers, or even watercolors to create different effects. The world is your canvas, and you are the artist. And enjoy the process. Art is a wonderful way to express yourself and have fun. When you're finished, step back and admire your creation. Be proud of what you've accomplished. You've created something truly special. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep letting your creativity shine through your colorful drawings. Happy creating, little artists. Great job, young artist! You've created a fantastic drawing full of colors and life. I hope you had a wonderful time drawing with me. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun exploring the world of art. Happy drawing! By subscribing, you can be sure that you won't miss any of the vibrant fun we have in store. We appreciate your support. Many thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.